Hello students, let's welcome with another set of questions on real numbers, right? So let's begin with the sixth question. So we have the product of prime factors of 120 is the question. Done? So let us consider 120 and start finding the factors of 120, right, by dividing the least positive integer, right? So we know that least positive integer in this case are 2 divided by 2 madre 260, then 230, then 215. Now 15 is not divisible by 2. Let me take least positive integer is 3, 3 5s are, and hence 5 1s are. Therefore what are the factors of 120? So if you observe carefully, there are three different factors. 2 is there in 2, and 3 is there in 2, and I'll take one more as 5, right? And the power of each. 2 is having power 1, 2, 3, 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1. Therefore, what is the prime factors for 120 anta helidre? 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1. 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1. Hence, I will go with option D as the right answer. Clear? This is called decomposition method. You can start dividing it by least positive prime number, if I say so, or least positive integer I can say, because of course you can start it by directly 60, but it won't give you decomposition of factors, right? So always start dividing it by least positive integer. Done? I hope you understood this. Let's go for seventh one. See that seventh one, 3 plus root 2 is, right, integer, rational number, irrational number, natural number. So what should be your answer? Definitely irrational number. Yake? So I'll just give you an hint. A number which is in the form of a plus or minus root b, or root a plus or minus root b, where a and b are not composite numbers, right? You can say, for example, it should be perfectly, if it is prime number, then only it is well understood. So see, you cannot say like this, root 16 plus or minus root 9, right? Because what happens, root 16 factors idave, 4 square anta ide, correct? To always take care of that. Bari ee expression idre ashte anta alla, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗಿರಬಾರ್ದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ರೂಟ್ 2 ಇದೆ, 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಇದೆ, ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ರೂಟ್ 2. So root 2 will retain as it is. Hence, it should be an irrational number. Done? Let's go for 8th one. 8th one. If the HCF of two numbers 12, 15 is 3, LCM of two numbers is anta kelidare. So again we have two numbers 12 and 15 are the given two numbers. Then HCF is defined. What is HCF of given two numbers? HCF is defined as 3. The question is to find LCM, isn't it? So we know that what is the relationship between HCF and LCM? We know that product of HCF and LCM is always equal to product of given two numbers. Now let's substitute the value. So HCF ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 3, LCM as it is, A is 12, B is 15. So I can consider 3 ones are 3 4s are. Therefore L is equal to 15 into 4 is 60. Hence what should be my answer? 60 is the right answer. Done? Right? So very simple way. See that this knowledge is very, very important. Product of two numbers is always equal to product of their HCF and LCM is very, very important concept. Done? So let's begin with the next question. Ninth question is the HCF of 95 and 152. One of the important concept, should always concentrate these kind of questions. Okay. So let me consider the HCF of 95 and 152, right? So you need to just understand the factors here. Done. So what are the factors of 95? Let me consider. The factors of 95 are 5 ones are, then 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45. Done? So if you observe carefully, 5 and 19 both are prime numbers here, isn't it? Now, to be honest, if you try to understand factors of this, so I will get it as 2 into, please try to understand 2 So 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14, 2 sixes are 12, right? Again, if I factorize 2 into 2 into 2 threes are 6, 2 eights are again 2 into 2 into 2 into 19. Done. So what you can observe, right? The factors of 95 are 5 into 19. The prime factors of 152 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 19. Which is common element over here? Which is common element? 19 is the common element, right? Hence, HCF of two numbers is 19. HCF of two numbers is 19. Done. So what should be your answer in this case? 19 is the right answer. So this is one method where we are converting the number to prime factors, then we are finding the HCF. I'll give you one more method. I hope this will make you still interesting. Let me consider if I am interested in, I'm discussing about OR method. Okay, please take care of that OR method. Right? Suppose if you want to find the HCF of two numbers, please notice you have to divide the larger number by smaller number. Right? If there are two numbers and you want to find HCF, you have to divide larger number by small number. So 95 into 2, definitely it is more than 152. So I'll take 95 into 1. So what we get? 95 into 1 is 95. Difference is 7. And 15 minus 10 is 5 and 57. So we will get remainder 57. Now at this step, what you have to do? You have to consider this remainder, and this remainder will divide the first divisor. This is a new concept. Okay. So 57 will divide the first divisor, which is first divisor 95. Let us divide it. So 57 ones are once again 57 ones are 57. So 8 is the remainder. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. 38. Now, again you are going to divide this remainder. You consider the remainder, right? This remainder will divide the second divisor, that is 57, right? So 38 ones are 38. And what is the difference? 19. Now, the third remainder will divide the third divisor. Therefore, 19 divides 38. And 19 into 2 is 38. So here we are getting 0 remainder. The divisor which gives 0 remainder is called HCF. I repeat. See, we have got first divisor, second divisor, third divisor, fourth divisor. There are 4 divisors, which is a chain division, right? And every divisor is not giving 0 in this case, right? Which divisor is giving 0 as the answer? 19. Therefore, what is the HCF of given two numbers? 19. This is also another approach to find HCF of any given two numbers. You can apply for any two numbers. Okay. So in this case, once again, what is my answer? 19. So I'll go with option C. Done. Let's go for the next one. So for the 10th question, for the 10th question, yes. I'm not getting this 10th question. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡು.